Looking for the ultimate dashcam that could save your skin after an accident? What if I told you the Nextbase 622GW doesn't just record in stunning 4K, it could even help emergency services find you after a crash. In today's video, we're diving into whether this premium dashcam lives up to its hype. Is it really the best 4K dashcam for US drivers in 2025? Stay tuned, you might be surprised. Nextbase 622 Product Overview. The Nextbase 622GW is a top-tier 4K dashcam, first released in 2020 by Nextbase, a well-known UK brand that's made serious waves in the USA, designed for drivers who want cutting-edge tech and ultimate peace of mind. This model targets everyone from daily commuters to road trip enthusiasts. What makes it stand out? It's not just about crystal clear footage. The 622GW is packed with life-saving features like Emergency SOS, What3Words, location tracking, and even built-in Alexa support. Nextbase 622 Performance. Let's talk real-world use. The Nextbase 622GW dashcam absolutely delivers on video clarity. In our testing across city streets and highways, its 4K resolution at 30 FPS captured license plates and road signs with razor-sharp detail even in tricky conditions like rain and night driving. The image stabilization tech was a pleasant surprise, smoothing out bumpy footage from pothole-riddled roads. The cam booted up quickly, and voice control via Alexa worked reliably for commands like saving clips or adjusting settings. However, the 622GW isn't perfect. GPS lock-on can take a few extra seconds when starting out, and the 4K files are large, so you'll want a fast, high-capacity SD card. Features and tech. The Nextbase 622GW is loaded with smart features that go beyond just recording video. First up is the Emergency SOS system. If you're in a crash and don't respond, the cam can automatically alert emergency services with your exact location. That's potentially life-saving. Another standout is What3Words integration, which pinpoints your location within a 10-foot square, far more precise than standard GPS. Imagine breaking down in a remote spot on a road trip. Help can find you faster. Then there's the built-in Alexa, which lets you use voice commands for hands-free safety. Want to check the weather or control smart home devices while parked? No problem. Finally, enhanced night vision and digital image stabilization ensure smooth, clear video even in low light or rough driving conditions, features that truly separate the 622GW from cheaper dashcams. Design and build. The Nextbase 622GW feels as premium as its price tag suggests. The body is made from a solid, high-quality plastic with a sleek matte finish that blends discreetly into most car interiors. The 3-inch HD touchscreen is bright, responsive, and easy to navigate. Its magnetic Pro Mount system makes setup and removal a breeze. No fumbling with awkward clips. The unit size strikes a good balance, large enough for easy handling, but compact enough not to block your view. Overall, the 622GW's design feels thoughtful and driver-friendly. Pros: true 4K video with fantastic clarity. Emergency SOS and What3Words location helps superb low-light and night performance. Cons: 4K files are large. You'll need a fast, big SD card. GPS lock-on can lag a few seconds at startup. Premium price may not suit all budgets. Final verdict: so, is the Nextbase 622GW worth it? If you're looking for the best 4K dashcam for USA drivers, especially those who value safety and cutting-edge tech, the answer is yes. The video quality is fantastic, but what really makes this dashcam stand out is its combination of emergency features and ease of use. It's ideal for drivers who want more than just footage, those who want a guardian on the road. The price. is premium, but you're getting features that could genuinely make a difference in a critical moment. If you can stretch your budget, the Nextbase 622GW is one of the most complete dashcams you can buy in 2025. Price and value in the USA. The Nextbase 622GW typically retails around $399 or $149, depending on bundled accessories like a rear camera module or SD card. While that's higher than many competitors, you're paying for true 4K clarity, advanced safety features, and solid build quality. When you factor in what it offers from Emergency SOS to What3Words, it's clear the 622GW represents solid value for those prioritizing security and video evidence.